Hello everyone, I'm Hubert Benitez, the president of St. Peter's University.
And I'm Dr. Lisa Garsman, director of the nursing program at St. Peter's.
We're about to go check in on the progress of the Pope Hall renovations at St. Peter's. Come on, follow us. Pope Hall has been the center of our nursing and health sciences program for a long time. I'm personally so excited about the state-of-the-art facility we'll be opening in time for the 2026 spring semester. And as a formal healthcare provider myself, I'm very jealous of what the students are going to be able to explore.
I'm jealous too. This renovation features a cutting-edge virtual reality lab that's going to allow our nursing students to test their clinical skills on patients. I mean, this is preparing the next generation of future healthcare leaders.
It'll be innovative and beautiful. We're so excited to share more on this renovation with you soon.